Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix your Jeep Liberty window. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a new window regulator, various screwdrivers, and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before starting. Then, gently remove the door panel to expose the window assembly. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth repair process. Now, let's get that old regulator out. Begin by carefully detaching the window glass from the regulator assembly. You might need to prop the glass up with tape. Next, unplug all electrical connectors from the window motor. Finally, locate and remove the bolts that secure the old regulator to the door frame. There are typically 4 to 6 bolts holding it in place. Take your time to ensure all connections are free. With the old one out, it's time for the new regulator. Carefully position the new assembly into the door frame, aligning it with the bolt holes. Secure it firmly using the original bolts, ensuring they are tightened to specification. Then, reconnect all electrical plugs to the new window motor. Double-check that all connections are snug and correctly seated for proper operation. This step is vital for the window's functionality. Almost done. Carefully reattach the window glass to the new regulator clips, making sure it's seated properly. Then, reinstall the door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are securely fastened. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Test the window's up and down movement several times to confirm smooth and correct operation. Enjoy your fully functional window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.